everybody, I'm Zach with Detroit Bikes, and we're here in the assembly room at the Detroit Bikes factory. We are nearing the midway point of our Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign, and I believe I think as of today, we're about 84% funded, so this is incredibly exciting that we've had that kind of show of support. It would be amazing to be fully funded by the midway point. So share this video with your friends or anyone you know who's interested in a bike. This bike is pretty incredible. It is the Sparrow by Detroit Bikes, 22 pounds, single speed, really sturdy, durable bike, good parts. What I wanted to show you today was how to use the floor pump that comes with your Sparrow. So this is the Detroit Bikes floor pump. It's a free pump that we send with every bike just to make sure that things are as easy as possible for you. And because making sure your tires are full is sort of the most important part of bike maintenance. I'm going to show you how it works because it's a little bit different with this type of tire we have. So there's basically two types of valves that you'll see on a bike tire. One's a little fatter and one is a little thinner. And these bikes come with the thinner one. And so it takes a little bit of doing here. I'm going to show you how it works. So in the floor pump, on the handle, inside there's a gray attachment, a gray fitting. So we're going to take that out. It looks like this. And that's going to basically convert this into the type of valve that would work with this pump. So what we're first going to do is, on the bottom here is a little piece you've got to unscrew. So you've got to screw that down, and then you can push it, make sure a little air comes out, make sure it's ready to accept the fitting, and then we're going to put that on and just screw that in. And now we've basically changed the style of valve that we have on the end of this. So now I take my pump, and a good thing to think about with this pump is that the airflow is on now. When it's like this, think of the air flowing through. So we have it in its closed position when we attach it, we put it on, and then we open it, so we have airflow. And next, we're going to stand on our pump, and we're going to just add air to this tire. And we want to add enough air that when we feel this tire with our fingers, it feels hard. That we don't have really any resistance at all inside that tire. So you can pump away. Now some other floor pumps will have a gauge on them that will tell you exactly the pressure that's in your tire, and certainly that's a nice thing to have, but you're going to be just fine if you just squeeze that tire and make sure that it's basically feels solid to you. So this tire is nicely inflated, ready to ride. So I'm going to take this off, unscrew the attachment, and then I need to remember to push this back in. And we lose a little bit of air when we do that, so I'm glad we made it extra full. Now that's back sealed up. I can put the attachment back into its spot in the pump. And you're good to go. So I want to thank everybody again for getting us nearly to the midway point of the Sparrow Kickstarter. And we really are looking forward to making these bikes for you.